Now the first question is answer the following questions. Answer the following question. First question is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First question is what is internet? First question is what is inter
सर फर्स्ट वाला हो गया सेकंड
question is what is internet? Explain any two usage of what? Explain any two usage. Explain any two usage. So the answer of the first question, what is internet? So answer is, write the answer. Internet is, what is internet? Network is called as internet. Network is called as internet. Two usage of following are two uses of internet. Following are two usage of internets. Following are two usage of internet. So first usage of internet is we can use internet to book air ticket and railway ticket. We can use internet to book air ticket and railway ticket. So first usage of the internet. Second, we can perform banking operations. We can perform banking operations.
सर पिक्चर नहीं आ रहा है.
What happened? So second one is we can perform banking operations using internet. Using internet. So apart from this also lot of options are there. Means lot of place we can use the internet, but in the question any two usage is asking. So right. So if you want some more, so right, we can book appointment in the hospital. We can book appointment in the hospital. So some more, right? We can purchase the books from e-commerce website. E-commerce means e-commerce website means the websites where we can purchase the items, like you can purchase the books, we can purchase the shoes, we can purchase any clothes, right? So all those websites from where we can buy any products, that website is called as e-commerce website, right? So we can purchase the books from the e-commerce website. E-commerce website. See here, everyone. So Flipkart.com. Everyone see here.
सर किसी के घर से आवाज आ रहा है। सर पेज नंबर कितना? सर पेज नंबर कितना? सर बहुत सीधा नोट करना। सर आवाज ही नहीं कुछ आ रहा है।
Sir, why voice is not coming?
Now my voice is coming. Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
my point is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, everyone, you can write what is browser.
Yes, sir.
Browser is a software for accessing information on the www, or you can write other definition also. If you feel this is a tough definition, you can write this one also. Browser is a software. Yes. So see here. See, answer. Browser is a software using which you can view the contents of the web page in your system. So this is also the answer. Second answer is this one. Either you can write the first definition or second also is the correct one. Both one is the correct. Browser is a software using which you can view the content.
Sir, I cannot see.
Yes, sir.
What happened? What is the problem? Screen is not coming. Okay, wait. Now the screen is coming to everyone. Screen is visible to everyone. Screen is visible to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the second part is name any browser. Name any browser. Now the answer of the second question is this. Write the answer.
Mute. I am mute, mic.
So this is the answer of the second question. Now the second part of the question is name any browser. So second part of the question, this one, this answer I have written for what is browser. What is browser? In the same question number 2, another part is name any browser. So I am removing the answer, first answer. Now the answer of the second one. Second question, second part, answer of the second part. Following. So answer of the second part is following are the browsers. Following are the names of browsers. Browser. Following are the names of browser. The first one is A, Google Chrome. Google Chrome. B, Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. C, Mozilla Firefox. C, Opera. D, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Next one is Safari. So these are the browsers. These are different browsers. Everyone written? Yes or no? Ankit,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
here.
Sir, wait.
Next question, question number 3. So question number 3 is,
Sir, please wait.
yes, I am waiting. What do you mean by, what do you mean by email? Next question is, what do you mean by email? What do you mean by email? Third question is, what do you mean by email? What do you mean by email? What do you mean by email? Email is a message that may contain text, files, images or attachment sent through internet to a specified user, or group of users. Email is a message that contain text file, image or attachment sent through internet to a specified user or group of users Second question answer, everyone written or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please last line.
Now the next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is what is a web page? What is a web page? What is a web page? Fourth question is what is web page? What is web page? So answer of the fourth question, the digital page, the digital page, the digital page on which we put information, in which we put information is called as web page. Is called as web page. The digital page on which we put the information is called as web page. Is called as web page. Done here up to fourth question is also everyone is able to complete or not? What is web page? The digital page on which we put the information is called as web page. The digital page on which we put the information is called as web page. Is called as web page. Done? Yes, everyone done. Next discussion is procedure. So next one is procedure. Try to understand today, everyone. The procedure. What is procedure? Everyone try to. Now see here, everyone. So suppose in the logo command we have discussed different commands in logo. Suppose I want to draw what? I want to draw a square. I want to draw the square. So following commands I will write. Following commands I will write. First command is FD 100, then RT 90, then RT 90. Again I will write.
सर ग्रुप में सेंड करने दीजिए.
Yes, I will send. Don't worry. Concentrate here. So again I will write FD 100. Again I will write FD 100. Next time again I will write RT 90. Again I will write FD 100. Again I have to write RT 90. So in order to draw rectangle, I have to write these commands. Right? So ये command मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना? Now see, I am writing the same command in the logo also. In the logo also. Now see here. So I am writing the same command in the logo. So this is the turtle, and here I am writing the commands in the logo. Commander window. In the commander window, I am writing the logo. So see here commands of the logo. First command is concentrate here. FD 100. Next RT 90. Next FD 100. Next RT 90. Next FD 100. Next RT 90. Next FD 100. Now and next, last one is HT. HT means hide the turtle. So these commands I have written. ये कमांड कमांडर विंडो में मैंने अभी लिखा है. ठीक है ना? और हमारा ये रेक्टेंगल बन गया. हमारा ये रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर बन गया. ठीक है ना? Now concentrate here. The point here is.
Mommy.
See here everyone. Here everyone. So these commands, ये मैंने command लिखा और मेरा rectangle draw हो गया. Suppose I am writing one command. Everyone concentrate here. I am writing one command. CS, clear screen. अब ये हमारा screen clear हो गया. Rectangle जो draw किए थे वो हमारा erase हो गया, हट गया, remove हो गया. अब मुझे अगर concentrate here, अगर मुझे फिर अगर rectangle draw करना है So again I have to write the command. Again from the beginning. Yes, from the beginning I have to write this command. ये command हमें फिर से लिखना पड़ेगा. So see here, FD 100, RT 90, again FD 100, again RT 90, again FD 100, again RT 90, and again FD 100. Right? Now we are able to draw. ठीक है ना. अगर फिर मैं इसको CS कमांड कर देता हूं तो फिर मेरा रेक्टेंगल रिमूव हो गया और फिर मुझे बिगिनिंग से ये पूरा कमांड ये वाला FD 100 RT 90 FD 100 RT 90 FD 100 RT 90 एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू राइट. अगर मुझे जितने बार अगर रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना है उतने बार मुझे ये कमांड लिखना पड़ेगा. लेकिन आई डोंट वांट टू राइट एवरी टाइम. मैं हर बार ये नहीं लिखना चाहता हूँ. Every time I don't want to write. So for that we are using procedure. Procedure में क्या करते हैं? We will give a name to a command. Set of commands. ये जो हमारे set of commands है responsible है for creating the rectangle. Rectangle square को create करने के लिए ये कमांड से हमारा स्क्वायर क्रिएट हो रहा है. ठीक है ना. तो इस कमांड को ये जो सेटअप कमांड्स है उसको मैं एक नेम प्रोवाइड करेंगे. उसको हम लोग एक नेम प्रोवाइड करेंगे. तो ये जो सेटअप कमांड्स है इस सेटअप कमांड्स को हम लोग ये जो सेटअप कमांड्स है क्या कर रहा है रेक्टेंगल इससे हमारा रेक्टेंगल बन रहा है. ठीक है ना. अब मैं इस कमांड को क्या करूंगा सेटअप कमांड को एक नेम दूंगा. ठीक है ना. सो रिमेनिंग पॉइंट ये जो सेटअप कमांड्स है रेस्पॉन्सिबल है फॉर क्रिएटिंग द व्हाट रेक्टेंगल. सो आई विल गिव वन नेम टू दिस कमांड सो दैट एवरी टाइम आई डोंट हैव टू राइट द सेम सेट ऑफ कमांड्स. दीस सेट ऑफ कमांड्स आई डोंट वांट टू राइट एवरी टाइम आई डोंट वांट टू राइट. सो remaining things I will discuss in the next class as the time is over. So I cannot discuss, but everyone in the next class tomorrow before coming you have to come by revising all the commands. Whatever the command is there, FD command, LT command, RT command, next is BK command, HK command, ST command, ST command, CS command, and CT command. So all these commands you have to come by revising. All these commands you have to come by revising. Then only properly you will understand what is the meaning of procedure. इसलिए यूज करते हैं तभी समझ पाएंगे. So bye everyone.